Hello, my name is Scott Fong with Cooperheat in Southport, United Kingdom, and we've been the home of heat treating since 1958. Today, I'm here to show you how to use one of our Advantage 3 controllers that you can find on various models of our heat treatment consoles. The Advantage 3 is a fully automatic controller and can take you through all the stages of your heat treatment cycle, from controlled heating, soak period, and controlled cooldown. Once you power on the controller, you notice there's flashing lights. High to indicate that there's no thermocouple input, and off to indicate that the controller isn't currently running. Once you connect the thermocouple to it, it will start displaying a temperature. The controller's default is degrees Celsius, but it can be converted to degrees Fahrenheit if required. The Advantage 3 has two modes. In programmer mode, the Advantage 3 acts like a master and runs an entire heat cycle. In controller mode, it acts as a slave and follows the heat cycle programmed by the master controller, the controller immediate to the left of it. So on a heat treatment console, one of our standard 6 ways, you could have a master and slave the following 5 channels to follow the original master. Or you could have a master with 2 slaves, set another master, and 2 slaves. To program between the modes, you press the set button, and you'll see a toggle between controller and programmer. Once you've chosen the mode you want to use, press enter. You'll now see a flashing temperature, and the start light is illuminated. Now we'll select the temperature we want to start the heat cycle at. I'm choosing 50 degrees just in case we're working on thinner material and I don't want to overheat it. Press the set button again, and the first digit will start flashing. Once you have the start temperature selected, all the digits will start flashing. Press the enter button again, and we'll move to the next stage. Now you'll notice the up light is illuminated, and we're going to set the heating rate in degrees per hour. We're going to repeat this process just like we did for the first one. Hit set and select your digits. We're going to go up at 300 degrees an hour. Now that we've selected 300 degrees an hour, we're going to hit enter, and we're going to choose our soak temperature. In this instance, I'm going to choose 720 degrees Celsius as our soak temperature. Hit the set button and follow the exact same procedure that we have previously. You'll notice all the digits flashing again. Press enter one more time. And now we're going to choose our soak time in hours and minutes. I'm going to choose 2 hours and 5 minutes for this soak. Hit enter when you selected it all the digits will flash again, and now we're going to choose our cool down rate. I'm going to select 400 degrees an hour for cool down. And now we're going to select our final temperature, our end temperature of the cycle in which the controller will shut off. I'm actually going to choose 290 degrees Celsius in this case. Now the cycle is ready to run. Now the program is ready to run, I'm actually going to slave my second channel to my first channel, so that the Advantage 3 for number 2 will run the exact same heat cycle as the master on channel 1. I'm going to toggle between controller and programmer mode, select controller, press enter. Now I'm going to start the heat cycle on channel 1 by pressing run. If you need to hold the heat cycle at any point during the run, press and hold the set halt button for 3 seconds. To release it again afterwards, just press it once quickly. In order to reset the heat cycle, press the run reset button once quickly, and then the second time, hold it for 3 seconds, and the program will completely stop. One last piece of advice before I go. Make sure you never flash weld thermocouples while they are still attached to any temperature indicating device. This can cause serious damage that can't be repaired.